So can AI replace real agronomists now? The answer is bold no. And sure, artificial intelligence is a powerful tool, but it cannot fully replace the expertise, the hands on experience, the intuition of real people. And as you know, agronomy depends heavily on soil conditions, on your crop choices, on your farming style, if it's organic or conventional. And it's all about very niche, very local, and individual context. So you can't input all this data into single prompt right now and ask about this. You can't just snap a photo and feed it into the AI algorithm and get an immediate answer on what to do with your crop. At the same time, AI is a great assistant. So, with the current level of technologies available for the public, you can educate yourself on the basics of agronomy and you can analyze data for your farm. You can also brainstorm some future ideas. So, AI is a great helper from your dreams, let's say. It's extra brain and extra eyes for you, so you can delegate tasks related to education, brainstorming, and getting another opinion on specific situation. However, you should not rely on AI as agronomy advisor now.